One other thing that can set you apart from other freelancers is how you present your work, okay? So presentation really counts. Even you have designed a very simple logo, if it is presented well, it can really get a good impact on your client, okay? So here I'm going to share with you some of the tips for designers and developers how to present your work. So let's get started. Now, some of the tips for designers on how to present their work, okay? Now, the first thing is always present your work using a awesome mockup, okay? So mockups are available on a lot of free websites, freebies, okay? So try to download a good mockup for your branding design or your mobile app or your website, okay? Now, what it is going to go do is it is going to really give a boost to your work, your design, and it is really going to show them your work in real context, okay? So if you are a card, you have designed a business card, it is going to look really nice if you can show them 2 cards on a table or something like that, okay? So what mockups do is they allow client to see your design in context and in real world, okay? So it can really impact their thinking and their imagination, okay? So it is really going to give your work a boost. Okay, now if you need, you should purchase premium mockups, okay? So if you really want to get a good impact, try to purchase really nice premium mockups that can be available on Theme Forest or Evento website or few other websites. Try to buy premium mockups, okay? Let me show you some of my examples of my design work, that how I show my clients the work I do. Like I have designed this business card, and you can see over here I'm showing Ocean Gates, this custom tech web design card design, and you can see how well they are looking. The background is dark and these cards are looking really great, okay? One other example is, let me show you this card, okay? So I'm also showing this card. This is Maxwell Unified Network, and you can see this logo is designed by me and this name. So they are looking really cool on different backgrounds like black and white. So it is on the client that what he is going to decide about it. Then let me show you this one. This is a Facebook cover I designed, and you can see over here how it really looks great on that Facebook template. So show the client their design in their own context or environment, okay? So if the design is going to be used on a card, it should be look like a card. You can see over here, this is another design, and it's a mobile app mockup. And also you can see over here they are looking really great in this iOS app mockup. And you can see over here these are 4 basically mockups, and these can really improve your impression on your client, okay? So they are really going to love these. So make sure you show them your work, finished work, or some finished version of your work in a mockup, okay? So these are few examples you need to keep in mind. Now for developers, now what developers are going to do, how they are going to show their work. Okay, first tip is that never show or send unfinished or buggy project to a client to test, okay? It should be working. It should not have too many bugs or too many problems that it can break down, okay? It is really going to give a very bad impression on your client. Second thing is that if you are developing a website, your WordPress website or HTML landing page or something like that, you need to upload a demo on a real FTP server, okay? Now, if you have a working demo of your files, try to upload it to any FTP server so client can see them live. So show them the live website view of your work, okay? Now the first thing you can do is, the key takeaways are, buy your own domain with your name or some testing website server or something like that, and always show your demos using that domain, okay? Now working demos can really capture your moments of your client, okay? So they are really going to see your work and your page animations or transitions or your form working perfectly, and they're going to say, yeah, that is what I wanted. This can really impress your client about your work, and they are really going to love it and like it. And also, if there are few bugs, like you might know that client is using Chrome on Mac OS, then you will know that I need to test in Chrome more. Or if he is using Firefox and he says that I had some problems with your form, filling your form, then you can know and you can test using Firefox. Okay, so make sure that your work is shown online as a demo files, and they can really see the live website. It can really improve your impression on your client. Never try to show unfinished work, whether you are a designer or developer, to your client. Okay, show them the finished version, or at least the working demo of your website or your work. Okay, so this is all about presenting your work to your clients, and let's move on to the next lesson.